once you put the red wire from the battery through the hole on the switch like that, make sure the switch is fitted in the hole. Put the soldering iron on the connection and then count to 3 and then melt some solder on. So 1, 2, 3. Once you've done that, take the black wire from the switch, from the other side of the battery, the black wire, and then feed it through the hole on the connection of the motor, on the motor there. Squeeze it together. Clean the tip of the iron on the sponge, and then hold the iron underneath the connection and try and get it on the wire and the connection. 1, 2, 3. Melt some solder on. And that's it.